Hello mga kalaki, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share about one system that protect the ship main engine, the oil mist detector. But before we discuss any further about the oil mist detector, as part of my maintenance routine, we will first replace the air filters or sometimes called coin filters which fitted in front of this measuring head. This is just a very simple routine maintenance task as long as you have spare filters on board. These air filters are disposable and to be replaced for at least every 6 months. The oil mist detector protects the main engine from heavy damage due to oil mist explosion inside the engine crankcase as a result of overheating from main engine internal part like main bearings, camshaft, piston, and cylinder liner. Every compartment of the main engine has a sensor that continually monitors the atmosphere inside the crankcase. When any malfunction occurs in the moving parts while the main engine is running, it could overheat which can result to crankcase explosion. That is why the oil mist detector is required for the protection of the main engine, and a routine test should be performed to make sure that the unit is functioning properly. The oil mist detector measuring head has a display unit which shows system status and error code in case of abnormalities. The oil mist detector has also a remote monitor unit fitted inside the ship's engine control room so that you can easily monitor if the unit has any abnormalities or any alarm. This blue nameplate indicates all alarm code and its description for your quick reference. We can test the oil mist alarm in many ways. But remember, never test the oil mist detector when the main engine is running because some alarm might trigger the main engine to slow down or shut down. One way to test the alarm is just simply disconnecting the power plug. The alarm is due to power failure after disconnecting the connector. The second way to test oil mist alarm is by opening the front cover like what we did during the replacement of air filters. By opening the front cover, unit pressure will drop and the alarm will trigger code 14, which means negative pressure or airflow too low in the unit. The most practical way to test the alarm is by applying smoke in the smoke sensor unit fitted in each compartment. You can use either smoke cigarettes or smoke spray tester. Some of the authority will ask you to test the oil mist alarm, and this is the best way to test the unit. You just need to open the testing port in any compartment and directly spray smoke, then wait for the alarm to activate. Kaleki, that's all for the oil mist detector. I hope you learned something in this video. Once again, this is your friend Lecky Louie. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.